Welcome.
So good to
Good
see
to
you.
see
Thank you.
you.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Hi, namaste.
31st of January, we completed 20 years on air. Basically, talk about 20 years of leadership, your journey of 20 years.
Welcome. Deeply appreciate and thank you so much for coming. Guys, the one and only Vikrant Massey is here to celebrate our 20 years, and we are celebrating with an icon who understands what hard work is all about. So, presenting to you Vikrant Massey. 20 years. We launched in 2006 January, and after that we've not looked back. Hello and welcome to this very special episode of Times Now at 20 Leadership and Legacy. This is a show which comes really dil se, and today we have with us a man who's done everything dil se. Vikrant Massey, my personal favorite. Thank you very much for joining us on the occasion of Times Now celebrating its 20th birthday week. And Vikrant, nobody better than you to share this with. You're here and we are extremely elated to have you with us. And the reason we thought of having you here is to also look at the world, the country, and your field, our field, through a lens of somebody who's seen the changes and appreciated the changes over the last 20 years. Thank you very much for making it possible to be with us right here.
Thank you so much, Navika ji. And if I may say so, you're also my personal favorite. Thank you so much for having me here yet again. And thank you to all your colleagues. Thank you so much.
Yes, and let me introduce my colleagues, Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, fellow traveler for the last 20 years. Literally, I can say कि बच्चा था जब हमने शुरुआत की थी, पाल पोस कर बड़ा किया है. I can say that Pranesh Roy has been with us for a very long time. Shreya Dondial, also a senior anchor, executive editor with us, and Siddharth Talia, who's our research head and somebody who has a very serious take on life and world. But every now and then comes up with great smart lines. So, Vikrant, I want to begin from the place of how really have you seen your life and the space around us changing in the last 20 years? From the time, 20 years,
20
when
years.
you must have been what?
I was 18.
school?
I was 18.
Okay.
I was in college.
You were in college.
I was in college, yeah.
And has our country changed? Have things changed? Has the vibe changed? Has the basic struggle and the basic DNA of life really evolved?
Before I begin, many congratulations to you all. 20 years. Before I answer, I very clearly remember not a very fond memory, especially for us Mumbaikars, 26/11. And I believe you guys were the only ones who were 24/7 providing us with all the information.
Yes.
And मुझे याद है जब वो unfortunate incident हुआ था, my entire family was up because दो ढाई दिन वो चला था मेरे ख्याल से, पूरी रात जो चला था. And the only people we could rely on were you guys. So thank you so much for being, our eyes, for being our ears and for bringing all that information to us. So 20 years, I mean, you know, many, many more to go. So many congratulations to all of you.
Did you watch Times Now as an 18, 20 year old at that time?
जैसे मैंने कहा कि वो पूरे देश ने, पूरी दुनिया ने वो 26/11 देखा था, you know, and as a Mumbaiker, it is a scar that will always be there, and because we had no other way for information, the only ones who were there, चाहे वो ताज हो, चाहे वो कामा हॉस्पिटल हो, या फिर जो वो कॉलेज भी जब सड़क पे घूम रही थी, you guys were the only ones who could actually capture the footage and send it, you know, dispatch it throughout the world. तो न्यूज़ तो उस वक्त देखते इतने थे नहीं, बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑल्सो वर्किंग. तो मुझे भी लगभग, आपको 20 साल हो गए, मुझे भी 22 साल हो गए काम करते जी. आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ व्हेन आई वाज 16 in 2004, and yeah, so I was already working at that time doing television. But coming back to the question, I think, yeah, a lot has changed. I mean, and drastically so. I mean, what was 20 years ago is so redundant now, right? And that's the pace at which we all are evolving. I always say this thing because I also come from the media industry, and we are so dependent on technology. जो cameras हम देख रहे हैं, जो equipments हम देख रहे हैं, जो सारी चीज़ें हम देख रहे हैं, the things that we were using 5 years ago are redundant now. And that is one thing I always keep telling people wherever I go, and also by virtue of 12th fail. You know, I'm very fortunate that I get to interact with a lot of students. So we have to keep updating ourselves from time to time. You know, हम अपने सिर्फ phones के और laptops के जो software update करते हैं, वो हमें भी अपने आप को अपडेट करते रहना चाहिए, बिकॉज जो चीज
आपको लगता है कि हम ही ऑब्सोलीट हो जाएंगे, एआई आ जाएगा?
एआई आ चुका है, if I'm not wrong.
So anchoring will be done, journalism will be done by AI, acting will be done
अभी
by
देखिए,
AI.
मुझे कहना तो नहीं चाहिए, बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जहाँ पे एंकर्स भी एआई ही है अभी, बहुत से दूसरे चैनल्स पे, इफ आई कैन से सो, वेदर अपडेट्स एआई के एंकर्स कर रहे हैं. But AI is there, you know, but I don't think we will become obsolete. You know, the challenge is to sort of amalgamate the new changes. You know, अगर युवल नोआ हरारी की जो किताब है 21 Lessons for the 21st Century, you know, he says this thing very, very clearly, you know, right at the beginning, जो introduction है उस किताब का. He says कि AI is going to be there, but the idea is to, you know, it's not job creation, it is about respecting what is already existing. You know, the problem is not going to be कि हमें job create करना होगा, because अगर आप देखें, and I, correct me if I'm wrong, researcher साहब, कि जब factories का ज़माना था, और अगर अमेरिका की हम बात करें, जब, you know, मोटर कार्स बन रही थी फोर्ड के टाइम पे, so from farms people went to factories, and from factories people went to offices, and from offices now people are working from home. So that transition has actually happened. But the idea is to, you know, protect the people. Rather than protecting the job, it's about protecting the people.
100%.
Would you want to take this from here on?
No, I completely agree. And AI at one level may not necessarily replicate what people think, because it's not as easy to say that, okay, fine, if you just type something out in ChatGPT, it will necessarily replicate what your mind actually wants you to put out on that piece of paper. You don't just think with your mind, you think with your emotions sometimes, you know, it's a combination of different things. Your gut health is actually just as much as important as your brain health. Yeah. And this is something that a lot of people have written about, and Amitav Ghosh, the renowned author, also spoke, that AI to some extent might be able to replace jobs, but can it substitute what today constitutes creativity? The answer to that question is a no.
Absolutely no, and we
I kind of second that. I second that.
Yeah. And we you know, protect that turf completely. Yeah. But Vikrant, let me ask you, starting work at 16 years, that must have been really early. I mean, हम सब ने बहुत काम किया और बहुत यंग एज से काम किया है, लेकिन 16 थोड़ा सा जल्दी है.
Yeah.
What was it like? You know, I've seen you in 12th fail, and I understand the emotions of failure and how you tackled it and all from your eyes. पर 16 साल की उम्र में काम करने जाना, मन में क्या था? You know, लगता था कि मैं कहाँ आ गया हूँ, कैसे करूँगा? Will I be able to surmount?
उस समय इतना आदमी सोचता भी नहीं था मेरे ख्याल से, and I think that's how I am. You know, even today, if I want to take up a challenge, I really don't think कि हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा. Like the gut instinct that you're talking about. If my gut tells me माधव जी की करना है तो बस करना है. And I think that is how it is with me, and I think that's the case with most people also. You know, I can definitely speak for myself. देखिए, sorry, please.
I just wanted to ask you whether it was by choice or whether
It was not by choice. I mean, it eventually became my choice, and I'm so glad, you know, with the advantage of hindsight, I'm glad I made that decision. I come from a very regular middle class family. हमारे दो simple nuclear family from Mumbai, and there were certain constraints which sort of compelled me to step out of the house and support my family, and I'm glad I did that. The idea was to support myself to begin with, कि अपना college और जो 4 शौक अपने थे वो पूरे करने थे.
कौन-कौन से 4 शौक थे?
मुझे मोबाइल लेना था.
अच्छा.
I wanted to buy a mobile phone, and उस time पे, you know, I'm also sounding like really ancient, or I'm sounding like a fossil right now. Sony Ericsson का एक मोबाइल फोन आता था.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
मुझे वो मोबाइल चाहिए था. And I also wanted an Apple laptop. And then I had to go to college. I had to support myself. I wanted to support my family. And yeah, as I said, I'm glad I did that. And the idea was to always act. I always wanted to be an actor.
16 साल से पता था कि
मुझे तो 5-6 साल की उम्र से पता था मैम कि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है.
क्यों? कोई फैमिली में तो एक्टर नहीं था.
My grandfather was an actor.
Okay.
My grandfather was an actor, but unfortunately I never got to see him. But my father, you know, even today so proudly पुरानी तस्वीरें निकाल के दिखाते हैं. शिमला के गेटी थिएटर में उन्होंने 30 साल काम किया है. उन्हें, you know, in fact, theater. He was an actor, director, producer in theater in Shimla, Gaiety Theatre में. And Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of our country, also honored him with the gold medal in All India Dramatics competition.
Oh wow.
तो वो तस्वीरें मेरी दादी के घर पे लगी हुई थी. वो आज भी मेरे cousin के घर पे पड़ी हुई हैं वो तस्वीरें. But it was not because my grandfather was an actor. Maybe because वो I come from Mumbai, born and raised in an area जहाँ पे हमने बचपन से shootings बहुत देखी हैं आसपास. And I remember my brother and I, and you know, building के बच्चे, आसपास की building के बच्चे, अगर वहाँ पे संजय दत्त shoot कर रहे होते थे, क्योंकि वर्सोवा village, I don't know if a lot of people are aware, वर्सोवा village, Mud Island, where I stay now, वहाँ बहुत shootings होती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
बहुत ज़्यादा. तो कोई chase sequence होता था वर्सोवा की गलियों में, और action sequences होते थे, बहुत famous फिल्मों में आपने देखा होगा. तो हम वहाँ खड़े होके देखते थे. And I was one of those over enthusiastic kids. जब भी घर पे रिश्तेदार आते थे तो पेरेंट्स वुड बी लाइक, बेटा मासी को डांस करके दिखाओ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, ये मैं I used to dance on all the songs at that time.
I know you're a jazz dancer.
And he's worked with Shamak Davar.
Shamak Davar.
Yeah.
I mean, बिल्कुल नहीं लगता. You know, with the serious kind of acting that he does, the roles that you pick up, और फिर वो, I mean, I want to see you in a like downright commercial film, running around seas and doing that. You know.
Very soon. Very soon.
doing that?
Yes, very soon. Running around trees का तो नहीं पता, but definitely I'll be dancing.
Dance वाला?
Yes, absolutely.
वैसा वाला वो जो
हीरोज करते हैं.
जो heroes
करते हैं. हाँ,
Wow.
मतलब वो.
नहीं तो you are a hero. You are a
नहीं,
hero.
नहीं,
and you are
नहीं.
many people's hero.
I am not.
you are saying नहीं
नहीं, हीरो नहीं. I'm an actor. वो हीरोगिरी मेरे को I feel very awkward. I mean, sorry to I don't mean.
You are a hero.
चलो ठीक है, if you say so.
I mean, but what happened to the sannyas? There was, I mean, you announced that you'll stop
यही
and
बैठ के बात की थी on your other show.
Conclave.
Conclave,
In
yeah.
Bharat Mandapam.
Yeah, and also on the show we did the last
Yes,
time.
we did a show when you announced your sannyas and you wanted to spend time with your son.
वो संन्यास नहीं था. And you know, आप लोग मुझसे बेहतर जानते हैं मीडिया को कि कैसे चीज क्या बोली जाती है, उसका क्या निकाला जाता है. And also maybe, you know, I also didn't put it out in as many words as I should have. The idea was to just take a break, go back home. And I'm glad I did that. 7 months I got a chance to spend time with my family. घर बनाया, उस घर में रह नहीं पाए.
You're also transitioning now to a producer
Production,
role.
yes.
How's that looking like for you? How challenging is it? How different is it?
It's very different. It's very different, but I'm thoroughly loving it, Madhavji. Thoroughly loving it. Actually, this seed was sown a few years ago. Because as an actor, you know, you can only look after what you are doing. You know, I felt in the last 2-3 years.
You wanted to control the
Not
whole.
control. I wanted to contribute a little more. You know, there's only as much that you can do as an actor. तो कई बार ऐसा लगता था कि, you know, yeah, I wish I could have probably been in a position to suggest or probably contribute in some way. तो वो seed वहाँ पे sow हुआ था. and my mentor, my very dear friend, Mr. Vijay Subramaniam, from the Collective Artists, and he has been mentoring me for the last 7 years, in fact, 8 years now. So he has been challenging me to sort of, probably telling me कि यार ये कर सकता है तू, you should do this, let's do something together, because he's someone who's been there with me through thick and thin, and not just me, he's been with so many artists actually. So it was him who actually sort of pushed me in that direction. Ki I think that time has come, that transition has come for you to take that leap. And we found the right story, we found the right people, and now I'm loving it, thoroughly loving it. Ki,
it's a
Musafir Cafe.
Musafir Cafe,
Ji.
and then you're doing another one where there is a second chance that you get. I mean, you're doing so many projects. So yes, Sannyas, did you pull a fast one on us? The hapless viewers who couldn't see through this. ये था क्या? ये क्या?
In fact, कल
You
ही
were being too clever by half.
No, I was not. Honestly, the idea was, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि वो उस ट्विटर पे जो भी लिमिटेड शब्द आपको मिलते हैं एक्स पे, तो जितने भी लिमिटेड शब्द मिलते हैं उसमें मैंने सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन भरने की कोशिश की, एंड नाउ वी नो कि वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंची नहीं, तो लॉट ऑफ इट वाज मिसकंस्ट्रूड. I just wanted to take a break. I was facing a severe burnout at that time. And
क्यों? Were the making of the films at that time, had they taken too much out of you? You know, it's very intense, and probably 12th Fail is an intense film. It saps you of a lot of emotion. Was it tough to make?
I'm glad you actually asked this question, because not a lot of people ask us ki, does the emotion, see, we expend so much of emotions actually. It is not the number of hours you're putting in. Of course, 12 hours, 14, 16 hours. वो वैसे ही इतना मुश्किल होता है. But as artists, as actors primarily, we are also expending ourselves emotionally, mentally, physically. हम अपने आप को, and I don't know, I'm still figuring it out, हम अपने आप को emotionally और mentally बहुत ज़्यादा expend करते हैं. To portray a particular feeling, तो वो थकान हो जाती है उससे. And 12th Fail, rightly said, 12th Fail, I think I'm so grateful for everything that happened with 12th Fail and Sabarmati and Sector 36 at that time. देखिए, साल की 4 फिल्में शूट करना आसान नहीं होता, you know.
इसको कमर्शियल सक्सेस भी शायद कहते हैं बॉलीवुड में.
कह सकते हैं आप ये कह सकते हैं कि लोगों का आशीर्वाद भी है. कि देखिए, 20 साल पहले की अगर हम बात करें तो 20 साल पहले you were not in a position to choose. You had to go out there and work because there were certain things you wanted to achieve in life. But by the grace of God, now probably, you know, and a couple of years ago जब ये संन्यास की बात उठी थी, I felt कि यार 4 फिल्में अब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और क्योंकि वो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि I was being repetitive as an actor, to be honest. और वो जो 7 महीने का मैंने ब्रेक लिया था, I went back and I saw all my films. कुछ फिल्मों को मैंने 2 बार 3 बार देखा, and I felt कि यार अगर मुझे वाकई अपने आप को next level पे ले जाना है, so I have to better myself as an actor. I was only like, there was no difference in my performance in the last few films, I felt. And I felt कि ठीक है, थोड़ा सा homework करते हैं, let's go back to the drawing board. Let's also sort of spend time with your little one. We spoke about this thing.
Yes.
You know, क्या कहते हैं उससे? Off the camera. What do you say?
Off cam.
Off cam. Yeah. I mean, we had a chat. I told you, my son was born. And most of his early memories through videos, which my wife would send. And I felt such a shame. What's the point of working so hard and achieving so much in life? Jab, you know, he started saying Papa in my absence. I was not there. उसका जो दांत पहली बार निकला था, मैं घर पे नहीं था. He started walking when I was not there. So I said, नहीं, you know, काम चलता रहेगा, ये वापस नहीं आएगा कभी.
I want to ask you on this burnout question that you said, because it's a very real thing. A lot of youngsters are watching. You're an icon for so many people as an actor, as a star. And it is a fact that a lot of youngsters do end up stretching themselves thin. If you were to go back, what would you do differently to avoid this burnout? Because this is something that everyone would like to hear from you and from your lived experience.
What would I do differently? Like, I actually would not do anything differently then, because I would have not learnt my lesson had I done anything differently. What would I do differently now is probably manage time, understand the importance of certain things in life. जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, जैसे how much is enough, कि 4 फिल्में सिर्फ पैसे के लिए नहीं करने की ज़रूरत है. 4 फिल्में इसीलिए भी नहीं करनी बिकॉज वो साल की 2 फिल्में अच्छे से करनी है. You know, I feel ki, as I said, we expend ourselves a lot physically, emotionally, right? And there is actually a very severe connection, but I can only quote this thing because मुझे ज़्यादा knowledge नहीं है. अगर आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे actors जो होते हैं world over, because emotionally वो इतना expend करते हैं अपने आप को, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग later age में Alzheimer's और इन सारी चीज़ों से भी suffer करते हैं.
Wow. Okay.
They lose memory.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and Bruce Willis is a modern case. But इतिहास में वर्ल्ड ओवर बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टर्स रहे हैं जिन्होंने लंबे समय तक काम किया है, उनकी मेमोरी फेड होनी शुरू हो जाती है. अब उसका कनेक्शन है, बट एग्जैक्टली क्या है वो आई कांट कोट ऑफ कोर्स ऑन नेशनल टेलीविजन राइट नाउ, पर वो होता है बिकॉज
Does that scare you?
नहीं I'm not slowing down because of that.
Is that a thought in your mind? That
नहीं.
quality of life?
Quality of life.
What you
Right.
balance, what you
Quality of life. And I might be repeating myself, but that's the thing, you know. घर भी जाना है.
अच्छा लगता
जो घर बनाया है उसमें रहना भी है.
Exactly.
But you're saying you ask yourself the question, how much?
How much is enough?
But have you managed to get an answer कि इतना पैसा बैंक बैलेंस में होगा,
See,
दो घर होंगे?
everything is not about money. It's and money and fame. You know, वो बात पैसे और fame की नहीं है. You know, for how much is enough for me if I have to answer very honestly, to put it into some context, I am working with some of the best people in the country. My profession could actually fathom about. Some of the best directors, writers, technicians. तो मैं उसी में खुश हूँ. मुझे वो मौका मिल रहा है, मैं उसी में खुश हूँ. पर क्या मैं उसका पेड पीआर करके ढिंडोरा बजा के कि अच्छा मुझे इससे वो मिल जाएगा, मेरे से वो नहीं होता. तो मेरे लिए यही इनफ.
पर ये होता है बॉलीवुड में, बहुत जरूरी है ये करना.
जरूरी है नहीं है, टू ईच देयर ओन. मेरे लिए जरूरी नहीं है. दैट डज नॉट सूट मी. राइट. केस इन पॉइंट बीइंग 12th फेल. यू नो, उस साल इतनी बड़ी फिल्में आई, इतनी बड़ी फिल्में आई. इट वाज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट ईयर्स फॉर हिंदी सिनेमा, क्योंकि उससे एक साल पहले सब बोल रहे थे कि बॉलीवुड इज फिनिश्ड. एंड इफ यू गो बैक डाउन मेमोरी लेन, 23 वाज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट ईयर्स फॉर हिंदी सिनेमा. वहां पे एक 12th फेल जैसी फिल्म आती है और पूरा देश उसे सराहता है. तो वो एक केस स्टडी है. एंड आई फेल्ट कि यार अच्छा काम करोगे तो लोगों तक पहुंचोगे. तो to answer your question, of course, financial stability is very important, right? And I also keep
और
correcting.
प्रोड्यूसर बनना हो तो ज्यादा जरूरी है ना.
And you have a child who's just 2, so you know you have to see him at least till he's 20. You have to take care of him
Yeah.
financially till then.
Yeah,
Yes.
but देखिए ना, ये भी तो सच है कि जो आज हमारा बेसिक है वो हमारा सपना हुआ करता था पहले. Right.
हाँ,
True. But
that
that's
is
true
a very important philosophy of life that I want. You know, when you started off at the age of 16, I'm sure a lot of treatment that you get wherever you are. मैं सिर्फ not your line of work in Bollywood बात कर रही हूँ. I'm saying जहाँ भी आप होते हैं, जब आप बहुत मॉडेस्ट से बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं तो लोग आपको अलग तरीके से ट्रीट करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
आपको लगता है आपने ये 20 सालों में देखा है ये कि your financial background determines how people treat you?
Unfortunately, that's true. And I've said this multiple times. और एक इंटरव्यू तो बहुत वायरल भी हो गया था जहाँ पे मैंने कहा था कि you know, I was actually going to say the same thing. You know, I beg to differ with people who say money cannot buy happiness. Fair enough, not directly, but money gives you that confidence, and that confidence gives you happiness. आज मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए कुछ कर पा रहा हूँ, आज मैं अपने परिवार के लिए कुछ कर पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि वो फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी है. बट ये भी सच है कि जिस दिन मैंने बड़ी गाड़ी खरीद ली तो उसी सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का गुड मॉर्निंग बदल गया जब उसने मुझे उस गाड़ी से उतरते हुए देखा. और ये सच है और ये बिटर ट्रूथ है. उसे हमें एक्सेप्ट करके चलना चाहिए. और ये हमसे पहले भी था, ये हमारे बाद भी रहेगा. तो ये कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है कि मैं बदलना चाहता हूँ. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बदलना चाहता हूँ. इनफैक्ट मैं अडेप्ट करके असिमुलेट हो चुका हूँ इस बिटर ट्रूथ के साथ कि यही सच है. और कुछ जिंदगी के दस्तूर होते हैं.
पर बुरा तो लगता होगा. I mean,
अफसोस होता है. बट यू कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट अ चेंज, राइट. हम सिर्फ ये कोट्स जब पढ़ते हैं तो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी करना चाहिए कि माय मदर्स एक्चुअली टॉट मी टू ट्रीट अ जैनिटर एंड अ बिलियनेयर द सेम way. So you go out there and treat the janitor the same way you would treat a billionaire.
In fact, just to build on that, your recollections about your experiences, even at the time that you started your career at the age of 16, continue to be very vivid. In fact, you even remember the very first date that you ended up before the camera.
Yeah.
and you speak about one experience where you were humiliated by the director of that particular venture
जी
in front of 100-odd people. My question to you, therefore, is has this entertainment industry, because you've also spoken about the dark side of the industry, has this entertainment industry made you develop a thick skin over time? And now that you're transitioning towards a leadership role, the equivalent of a leadership role by venturing into production, do you believe that you'll be a lot more sensitive towards your peers than perhaps your superiors back then were towards you when you started?
You know, to begin with the answer, I think I would give them the benefit of doubt because probably they also didn't know better, right? Yes, when I am venturing into sort of creating an ecosystem where I can probably, you know, give people that space to go out there, and especially creative people because I come from a creative field. I can very proudly tell this on national television कि मेरे सेट पे आपको कोई A केटरिंग और B केटरिंग नहीं मिलेगी जो पहले होता था, जो पहले होता था कि जो आपके टेक्नीशियंस हैं उनका अलग खाना आता था, एक्टर्स के लिए और डायरेक्टर्स के लिए और सो कॉल्ड बड़े लोगों के लिए अलग खाना आता था. मेरे सेट पे आपको वो नहीं मिलेगा. मेरे सेट पे आपको मैं अपने लाइट वाले के पीछे लाइन में लग के खाना लेते हुए मिलूंगा. तो वो एक इकोसिस्टम क्रिएट करने वाली बात है. एक दूसरे को, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आर चेसिंग डिग्निटी. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आर वांटिंग टू लिव विद डिग्निटी. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू प्रोवाइड ऑन माय सेट.
एक बहुत वायरल हुई थी वो तस्वीरें एंड मैं आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अ झंडे वाली वुमन एक्टिविस्ट. मैं वैसे नहीं
आई नो व्हाट तस्वीर है.
हाँ, तो शीतल जी, योर वाइफ, and I have never met her, but I've seen her on social media and whatever, and she looks like a woman who can hold her own.
Yeah.
आप पॉपुलर होंगे अपनी जगह, लेकिन घर में मुझे ऐसा लगता है
शी इज द रियल हीरो.
शी इज द बॉस.
शी इज द बॉस.
शी इज द बॉस. ऐसा मुझे तस्वीर से लगता है. और या आप कहिए कि that is what I want to believe, and probably that's why.
I mean, that is what I also want to believe because that.
But is it true?
That's true.
Most men say कि नहीं, my wife is the boss, but actually fraudगिरी होती है वो. They are the bosses. Are you really accepting her as a boss?
फिर इसका जवाब I think शीतल को ही देना चाहिए.
I know. आप कभी joint interview करेंगे? It would be lovely to see, you know, how the spouse, the partner
I would love to do that with her someday. Yeah.
Okay, so that's a promise, and the first one with
Done.
Okay.
Done.
So then I come back to the question कि आपने उनके पैर छुए करवा चौथ के दिन. आप एक और भी बहुत बिजार चीज, जब आप अपने बेटे का कुछ बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट भर रहे थे तो आपने रिलीजन वाला कॉलम ब्लैंक रखा. Is this a statement that you're making, or is there something आपके जो जहन में था जो आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, ये सारी चीजें इसलिए नहीं की जाती हैं कि आप स्टेटमेंट करो. वो चीजें आप करते हैं बिकॉज वो आपका गट इंस्टिंक्ट होता है, एंड यू बिलीव इन सर्टेन वैल्यू सिस्टम्स व्हिच यू लिव बाय ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस. कमिंग बैक टू पैर छूना, अब सिर्फ वाइफ की बात नहीं है. मतलब ऐसे कितने लोग आते हैं जो कई बार मुझसे उम्र में भी बड़े होते हैं जो पैर छूते हैं. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है वो. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. मैं उनसे ये कहता हूँ कि यार तुमने लास्ट अपने माँ बाप के पैर कब छुए थे? ना तुम मुझे जानते हो, तुम सिर्फ एस्पायर करते हो मेरी तरह बनना, तुम बेकार में आके मेरे पैर छू रहे हो. कोई भी मेरे पैर छूता है मुझे अजीब लगता है, मैं तुरंत सामने से उसके पैर छू लेता हूँ. मुझे कोई पैर छूना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं लगती है. इनफैक्ट इट्स अ जेस्चर ऑफ रेवरेंस, एंड यू नो आई मीन इट्स जस्ट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ गिव इट बैक टू द अदर पर्सन. और सिर्फ करवा चौथ की बात नहीं है. आई थिंक शीतल के पैर मैंने बहुत छुए हैं, और वो पैर छू चुके ही वो लक्ष्मी घर आई है. और दूसरा जो आपने कहा कि रिलीजन का कॉलम जो बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट पे है, देखिए भारत सरकार मुझे वो ऑप्शन देती है. ठीक है, आज भारत सरकार मुझे ये ऑप्शन देती है कि आपको रिलीजन का कॉलम लिखना या नहीं लिखना आपकी मर्जी है, एंड इट्स माय राइट टू यूटिलाइज दैट. आज आप मुझसे बेहतर जानते होंगे कि जो पासपोर्ट पे भी अब है, देयर आर सो मेनी सिंगल विमेन राइट नाउ, दे डोंट नीड टू मेंशन देयर हस्बैंड्स नेम. उनको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये सारे चेंजेस हमारे सिस्टम में भारत पे आए हैं. 20 साल की जर्नी की जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये सारी चेंजेस आए हैं. एंड आई कम फ्रॉम अ मल्टीकल्चरल फैमिली, and I have also seen the dark side of it, and I don't want to sort of expose my son to that. He, or you know, tomorrow if I have another child, he or she, they have the right to sort of do whatever they
What's
want.
the dark side?
The dark side of it in the sense कि your intercaste marriage है, ये है, वो है, without sort of dwelling too much into it. So yeah, and my government, the honorable government of my country gives me that option to leave that space blank, and I left it blank.
So caste, you think matters less today in this so-called modern generation, or do you think are we stuck in some time conundrum? Caste, religion.
See, largely, if you're talking about India, unfortunately, yes, we still are. We still are, but I am one of those 1% privileged people in this country, and I completely recognize that privilege. So yeah, I mean, unfortunately, we still are, but I think पहले इंसान तो सही बन जाओ यार.
OTT changed the way films are made, in your view, as somebody on the inside? Have they sort of fed off each other? Has that changed? Number one. And number two, there's this whole debate around censorship of OTT, whether it should be there, shouldn't be there. What is your view on that?
So I'll begin with the latter part. See, censorship को लेके मेरा एक अलग ही थोड़ा सा, I would sort of, you might seem I'm digressing, but it's I think certification होना चाहिए. जिस तरह से भारत के बाहर हर जगह सर्टिफिकेशन, एज अप्रोप्रिएट सर्टिफिकेशन होती है, वो होना चाहिए. देखिए, ऑफ कोर्स फिर देन विद रिगार्ड्स टू हाउ मच इज इनफ की अगर हम बात करें, क्योंकि जब शुरुआत हुई थी ओटीटी की और यूट्यूब की अगर शुरुआत हुई थी, लेट्स गो स्लाइटली बिहाइंड, जो इंडिपेंडेंट स्टूडेंट फिल्म मेकर्स थे या जो शॉर्ट फिल्म मेकर्स थे, दे वेंट ऑल आउट विद न्यूडिटी एंड अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज. हाउ मच इज इनफ पे भी एक नज़र होनी चाहिए. बट पेरेंटल गाइडेंसेस हमारे टीवीज में भी है, हमारे फोन्स में भी है, राइट. टुडे आई हैव दैट ऑप्शन ऑन माय टेलीविजन स्क्रीन कि कौन देख रहा है, उस हिसाब से एआई आपका कंटेंट पूरा रेगुलेट करके देता है. तो सर्टिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए. एंड विद रिगार्ड्स टू द previous question, what was your previous question?
Film and OTT sort of feeding off each other. They do.
Of course they do. Because आज अगर एक नेटफ्लिक्स पे अगर आपकी एक फिल्म आती है, 190 देशों में वो फिल्म देखी जाती है. आज आप भी कहीं ना कहीं बैठ के कोरियन सिनेमा देख रहे हैं, आज हम भी फॉरेन सिनेमा बैठ के देख रहे हैं. रीजनल सिनेमा, जो हमारी जितनी भी भारतीय भाषाएं हैं, उनकी सारी फिल्में आज इतने बड़े पैमाने पे पूरी दुनिया देख रही है. एंड एक्सपोजर बढ़ गया हम सबका. Our consumption patterns have changed. As audiences today, and because I see it day in, day out, a common man जिसका सिनेमा से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, पर क्योंकि वो अपने फोन पे बैठ के रोज कुछ देख रहा है अपने दफ्तर जाते जाते, उसको ये भी पता है कि VFX की क्वालिटी बड़ी खराब है. That's true. People are calling it out. That's their awareness.
Yeah.
So the standards of our narratives, the stories that we are telling have changed because we are exposed to world cinema.
But do you think थोड़ा politics around cinema थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया है? Every film that deals with a specific kind of a subject. I mean, you've done Sabarmati story.
जी.
और कितनी politics उसके around हुई थी. धुरंधर अभी recently जो आई है, लोगों के views पहले से आ जाते हैं कि भाई this is propaganda, that is propaganda. आप भी शिकार रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं भी शिकार रहा हूँ, बट आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया इज क्वाइट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट, क्योंकि आज सबके पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म है अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखने का. तो ठीक है, टू ईच देयर ओन. बट क्या पहले फिल्में राष्ट्र प्रेम पे फिल्में नहीं बनती थी? बनती थी. आप अगर 50s की बात करें, तो जब नया नया देश आज़ाद हुआ था, तब देशभक्ति को लेके, राष्ट्र प्रेम को लेके कितनी फिल्में बनी. जब 62-63 में इंडो चाइना वॉर हुई थी, जब 71 में वॉर हुई थी, तो सिनेमा एंड सोसाइटी दे ऑलवेज गो हैंड इन हैंड. आज क्योंकि लोगों के पास इतने प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, 25 तो प्लेटफॉर्म है अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखने के लिए, तो लोग करते हैं. एंड ठीक है, आई मीन दे हैव ऑल द राइट. बट मुझे
प्रेशर तो डालता है ना.
प्रेशर डालता है, ऑफ कोर्स डालता है.
आपके तो छोटे से बेटे को थ्रेट्स आने लग गए थे व्हेन यू डिड साबरमती. आई मीन, डू यू नॉट रिजेंट इट एज अ creative person?
I've become thick-skinned, like you asked me earlier. I've become very thick-skinned. I will go out there and do what I want to do. And like I said you know, at the initial part of a conversation, I will not do some things which don't come naturally to me. I will do what I want to do. And I'm very happy in the world I've built for myself. It actually does not matter what people think of me. अगर वैसा होता तो I would have been doing things very differently today.
पार्टीज पे जाते हो बॉलीवुड में?
देखो आप मुझे ना पर्सनली जानते हो, आप जानते हो कि मैं ये सब नहीं करता हूँ.
क्यों? कर भी सकते हो.
नहीं कर सकते हैं.
You know, you're a young guy. You can enjoy having a good time, chill time. कोई दोस्त वोस्त हैं कि नहीं?
दोस्त बहुत हैं. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं.
क्यों?
एक आध हैं भी रहने दीजिए. बाकी कुछ चीजें किताब के लिए भी छोड़ देते हैं.
नहीं, वो अभी तो आपने कहा बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, तब तक थोड़ा तो शेयर कर लीजिए.
नहीं, I think I'm a partly reserved guy. I'm borderline introvertish. मेरे आज भी दोस्त जो हैं वो 30 साल पुराने हैं जिनके साथ मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ.
उतनी तो आपकी उम्र नहीं होगी.
मैं 38 की उम्र है मेरी. तो 30, 32, 35 साल मेरे पुराने मेरे दोस्त हैं. And that's my comfort space. You know, they don't judge me for who I am or what I am. They are not necessarily nice to me. अच्छा, ये चीज़ भी सच है कि जब थोड़ा कुछ आप मुकाम हासिल कर लेते हैं जिंदगी में, आपके आसपास के लोग बदल जाते हैं. You know, unnecessarily.
अब आपके दोस्त क्या थोड़ा डिफरेंटली ट्रीट करते हैं आपको? नहीं. जो जिनके साथ रोजमर्रा का उठना बैठना है वो नहीं करते हैं. बट बहुत सारे लोग, जैसे मैं कह रहा था आपको, कि जो आपको नहीं भी जानते हैं वो आपके पैर वैर छूने लग जाते हैं आपके. They just want to be nice to you because you are famous. तो वो that doesn't suit me. That doesn't go down well with me. So what is the one thing that the friends who know you well, you know, टोको you about कि भाई ये जो है ना, ये sorry to say कि पसंद नहीं है तुम्हारा ये एटीट्यूड? वो कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो?
I think ये उनसे पूछना पड़ेगा.
पूछा नहीं कभी? उन्होंने जाहिर नहीं किया आपको?
नहीं, जैसे मैं कहा
being nice to you.
नहीं. I mean yeah, कुछ चीजों को लेके वो कहते हैं.
क्या?
I mean my reticent nature, कहते हैं कि तुझे बाहर जाना चाहिए. You're an actor. You should go out there. You should be a little more active on Instagram. You know, but ठीक है.
Actually, ma'am, friends are kinder. It's parents who are the biggest critics. रोज जो टोकना होता है वो पेरेंट्स से होता है.
नहीं, मेरे दोस्तों से पेरेंट्स भी टोकते हैं.
क्या कहते हैं?
मतलब माय मदर इज वेरी बायस्ड, तो मम्मी को तो हम साइड ही रख देते हैं.
क्या बायस्ड? क्या नहीं, क्या कहती है?
उनको मेरी
साइड कर सकते हो भाई?
नहीं, बट शी इज वेरी बायस्ड. उनको मेरी बुरी फिल्म भी अच्छी लगती है.
That is so true.
Biased in a good way. Biased again.
But that is not good for me, right? मतलब she's like, बेटा तूने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. I'm like, tell me the truth. And my father is like, बहुत ही बेकार. तो वो सच कहते हैं. My friends tell me the truth. मेरे कुछ दोस्त को मैं स्क्रीनिंग्स पे लेके जाता हूँ तो वो उठ के चले जाते हैं बाहर, तो मैं समझ जाता हूँ कि इसको पिक्चर पसंद नहीं आई. और ऐसे लोग होने चाहिए. वो कहे कि दोस्त अगर वो आपको सच ना बोल पाए, right?
And your wife?
वो she is the epitome of it. She's extremely honest about everything.
तो मतलब she ensures कि आप टेरा फॉर्मा पे रहें.
हाँ.
ज्यादा ऊंचे ना उड़े.
ना.
पर ऊंचे उड़ने का मन तो करता होगा यार. नेशनल अवार्ड मिल रहा है, आप जा रहे हैं नेशनल अवार्ड रिसीव करने, आप उस हॉल में हैं, वहाँ शाहरुख खान है.
उड़ने का क्या मतलब है कि मतलब
थोड़ा इलेटेड फीलिंग होती है.
बिल्कुल इलेटेड फीलिंग तो होती है.
हाँ, तो ऐसे लगता है उस वक्त. इट्स नॉट ऑब्वियसली नॉट लिटरल, पर ऐसा लगता है कि you know you're waltzing around and you are more a jazz trained dancer than I am a waltz dancer. But थोड़ा तो लगता है ना कि yes ऐसा वाला.
Of course.
So and SRK को देख के क्या लगा वहाँ पर?
बहुत अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलके.
माँ ने क्या कहा?
बस कुछ नहीं. She started crying. She was thanking all the gods. I mean, माँ है, वो क्या ही कह सकते हैं. उनकी दुआओं की वजह से पहुंचे हैं.
माँ also wanted to meet Shah Rukh Khan, I believe.
Yes, she did.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
And he was so generous, you know. She told me she saw Shah Rukh sir sitting there. She's like, सोनू, शाहरुख खान एक फोटो करवा देना बाद में, प्लीज उनको रिक्वेस्ट करना. And he was so generous. He walked over to her. And he had an injury. If you remember well, he was shooting for King, and he, I think, had a surgery on his shoulder, and he was in that brace. And he walked up to her, my wife, and he greeted them. He spent 5 minutes with them. And the moment he hugged my mother froze. Yeah. And she even shed a tear, because I think that's the impact Shah Rukh Khan has had on all of us, on a couple of generations, in fact. So yeah, it was a very special moment.
You're doing a film called O Romeo. इसी में डांस करने वाले हो आप?
जी नहीं, ये विशाल जी की फिल्म है, विशाल भारद्वाज जी की फिल्म. It's going to release you know, very, very soon.
How's it working with Vishal Bharti?
Phenomenal. Phenomenal. I think he's been that one director every single actor, technician has always aspired to work with once at least. और मेरे केस में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सच ये इसीलिए है क्योंकि मकबूल जब मैंने 2003 में देखी थी, मुंबई में बहुत फेमस थिएटर है, आपको पता होगा, गेटी गैलेक्सी।
Yes.
गेटी गैलेक्सी की ठीक पीछे मेरा कॉलेज है, नेशनल कॉलेज। तो हम चल के वहाँ जाते थे, 30 रुपए की स्टॉल की टिकट और 50 रुपए की बैल्कनी की टिकट लेके। बहुत फिल्में हमने वहाँ देखी हैं। तो जब मैंने मकबूल वहाँ देखी, इज़ व्हेन आई फेल्ट कि यार, और मैंने 2 दिन में 2 बार देखी थी वो फिल्म, बैक टू बैक। मकबूल हो गई, ओमकारा हो गई, ये जो उनकी सारी फिल्में हैं, they've had a tremendous impact on me, and most people know that Irfan sir is someone I really, really admire. And so yeah, so the moment he actually reached out to me saying कि you know एक छोटा पार्ट है फिल्म में, yeah, it doesn't matter, एक सीन है, 2 सीन है, विशाल जी के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है, so I lapped upon it. So it's a small guest appearance that I'm doing in that film. Yeah, I'm really, really happy. One more dream director ticked off my bucket list.
One more.
Yeah.
अच्छा, बाकी to do list में कितने हैं?
हैं, काफी हैं, बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे हैं।
तो अभी हाल फिलहाल में कोई संन्यास का प्लान नहीं है?
नहीं, ब्रेक लूंगा मैं शायद, एक अच्छा खासा ब्रेक लूंगा, but I think not any time soon.
But what led you to White? I mean, were you a follower of
No,
Sri Sri? That
no,
you got
sadly
to-
I was not.
Huh.
You know,
And are you now a follower?
yeah, you can actually say that. You can say that I believe in his teachings. I believe in the kriyas that he's sort of, you know, he educates people about. I meditate. You know, I have the Art of Living app on my phone. I think my life has become better, or at least I'm feeling better after I've met him. And why White? Because see, White is not a biopic. सबसे पहले तो लोगों को ये लग रहा है कि उनकी जीवनी है पूरी, वो biopic नहीं है. It is a small chapter from his life. It speaks about the Colombian Civil War and his involvement in the Colombian Civil War. How his teachings and our Indian value system of tolerance, forgiveness, actually brought a resolution to a 52-year-old long civil war. तो बहुत कुछ है उसमें. How a spiritual leader from India goes 15,000 kilometers away on a continent जहाँ की भाषा भी वो नहीं बोलते हैं, but the common value systems that all of us are bound by, which is humanity, care, forgiveness, you know. तो उस वजह से वो जो resolution वहाँ पे लाए हैं, उसके ऊपर ये फिल्म है. And it's a very
Latin America as well for this.
yeah, we shot in Colombia. Yeah, we shot in Bogota. We shot in Cali.
So this is an
But
international production, is it?
Yes,
Oh.
it is an international co-production. But
And are you part of the
नहीं, यहाँ पे मैं
अच्छा, यहाँ पे
not,
नहीं.
I'm not traditional. I'm just acting.
I want to ask you about this because you also shot in this with the same crew of Narcos, and Narcos is, you know, the other end of extreme when when it comes to glorifying.
जहाँ ये
Many would accuse it of glorifying drug
non-violence का कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
Pablo Escobar, violence, drugs, it's got everything. So what is it like shooting with the crew that's actually done all that for a theme like this?
You know, see, वो अभी जैसे हम भी एक्टर्स हैं, हम भी फिल्मों में 4 लोगों को गोली मार देते हैं बंदूक उठा के. That's the part we play, right? तो कई बार हमें भी लगता है कि यार जो पार्ट हम प्ले कर रहे हैं तुम एक्सपेक्ट करो कि हम रियल लाइफ में वैसे ही हों. बट वो टेक्निकल क्रू था, द डीओपी एंड द एंटायर सपोर्ट क्रू वाज द सेम क्रू दैट मेड नार्कोस. Tremendous crew, and you will see the quality of the film. I'm really excited to share this with the world.
Let me do a quick rapid fire round.
Oh my God, your rapid fires are scary.
Television or cinema? Where is the craft displayed better?
Cinema.
Balika Vadu gave you recognition, but did it typecast you early?
No, it didn't. It definitely gave me recognition.
OTT or cinema?
Both.
ये क्या बात हुई?
नहीं, genuinely both. मैं दोनों कर रहा हूँ. And I'm.
One doesn't impact your value as a star
I don't think
in
so.
the other.
No, I don't think so.
So to that extent, the film industry has matured.
There's a long way to go, but it started. The क्या कहते हैं उसे, शुरुआत हो चुकी है. Yeah.
You have trained as a contemporary jazz dancer. How much does that help you in your acting skills in terms of body language?
It does. At least, the nimbleness, the agility, I think it does help. But direct relation उसका acting से नहीं है, but body language. So yeah, of course, yeah.
One role you actually feel people should have noticed more?
Uh, one role people should have noticed more. Mera apna, right? I did this film called Love Hostel. It's on Z5 right now. Shankar Raman was the director. Sane Malhotra was my co-actor. Bobby sir was also a part of it. I think that was a very good film. Yeah.
Didn't get the kind of success that you thought it deserved.
I thought it. I still think it deserves. Yeah.
What scares you more, failure or repetition?
Repetition.
You don't get scared of failure?
नहीं तो ज़रूरी है वो तो. It's very important, right?
Okay. Dhurandhar, Border 1, Border 2.
मैंने ना धुरंधर देखी है ना Border 2 देखी है, so I would say Border.
First one.
जी.
Okay. I want to ask you one word for Prime Minister Modi.
Charisma.
Okay. And I have always Dil Dhadakne Do,
जी.
big starcast, big film. That versus 12th Fail.
Both.
Both.
Yeah, why not? I would love to do the conventional Bollywood film, you know, wear good clothes, try looking good, travel to exquisite locations, and also make meaningful cinema like 12th Fail.
Are you doing any of those, big films on the anvil?
I'm doing good films. A big का तो मुझे नहीं पता. I think I'm doing good films. Yeah.
Well, in the end, what do you think, where is life going to take you in the next 20 years?
I don't know.
What do you hope?
What I hope I'm healthy to begin with. I hope I leave behind a better tomorrow for my family and my children. And I hope people can still watch my movies and find something out of it for themselves. You know, because storytelling is an incredibly powerful medium. You know, it's been there since time immemorial, you know. Cinema is just a modern extension of storytelling. फिर चाहे वो आर्ट हो, किताबें हो या सिनेमा हो या अब तो पॉडकास्ट्स भी आ गए हैं. So storytelling is a very powerful medium, and I hope even 20 years from now people watch my films and get inspired by what I've been trying to tell them.
Well, one thing is clear, there's no sannyas anytime soon. We're talking about Vikrant Massey still making films 20 years from now. As always, it's such a pleasure to have you with us, and at a time when we're celebrating a milestone,
Yeah.
20 years of times now, there was probably nobody better than you with whom we could have spent it with.
Thank you so much. The honor is all mine. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you as always. Always. Thank you.